Hello everyone, my name is Elena Shvab and I'm a hat designer based in London. Welcome to my studio. Sorry I disappeared for a while and it's been really crazy lately, but I'm back and I would like to just to highlight what's happening in the studio, the projects that I'm working on right now. And today I started recording a new tutorial about how to block and make these beautiful berets, these beautiful hats, fascinator hats that are very popular right now, very fashionable, very stylish, and I myself love wearing those. I have those in different colors, and this is one of the latest that I made with this beautiful black and white fabric that is available on my website. And so many of you have been asking how to make those particular hats for those who love making, not just wearing. So I decided finally to record a short but very detailed tutorial about how to make those hats. And now I'm in the process of making. Today I recorded how to block the shape. So the tutorial, when it's finished, it will be available on my YouTube membership channel. So you're welcome to sign up. The details will be in the description of this video, or you can go to the bio on my page and find the link to follow, and you can subscribe. You can choose to become a member and you get access to some of my videos, or you can choose to become Millinery Member Plus, which give you access to all the videos and all my live tutorials that I publish every month. You can unsubscribe at any time, but those who love making hats, this is very useful membership, and you get access to all the videos that are available there. So this is update number 1. The second update is about different hats, new hats that will be available. Actually, they are quite now available in stock, ready to ship next working day. And let me show you the hats, really beautiful ones. The first of all is this one, is a grace beret, beautiful, nice pink color beret with gold metallic foil decoration and a little cute tip. So let me put it on and show you how it looks. Let me just take the beret off. Okay. I have a little pin here. So this is how you wear it on the side. Really easy to wear. You don't need a hat size for that. It's just one size, fits all hat sizes. You just put it on. You can arrange your hair the way you like. Really very easy, effortless way of wearing hats. Very stylish and really perfect for the season. Especially, it's very nice, bright color, and I do love wearing something, bright during winter, because, everything is so dark, so you do need something colorful and something cheerful. So hats actually is a really cool accessory for that. So this is Beret Grace, available to ship on my website. Another accessory is this one. I really love it. It's very cheerful for special occasions, for birthday celebrations, any occasion that you might be attending soon. It's made of chiffon and organza flowers and decorations with beads, all handmade, handcrafted. A nice veil which you can lift up at some point if you don't want anything to distract you. And it also looks really lovely, and it's available on my website, ready to ship next working day. And another hat is this one. It's called Maple, and it's in a beautiful mustard color. I really love this. This one is available in size 56, I think. But if you like this hat in any other color, it's available. I mean, I can make it, so just drop the message and let me know, well, I want this hat in size, I don't know, 57, 58, in red, ivory, green, whatever color you would like to match with your outfit. For example, right now I made this really beautiful hat, the same maple hat, but the customer wanted it's in navy. So I made it in beautiful navy color with the same headband, matching decorations, and I also attached elastic that helps to secure the hat on a hat, especially during wintry, windy weather. So the hat just stays on your hat no matter what. So yeah, this is quite big for me. This is size 59. Yeah, but it looks really cool. And due to decorations, it also can be color matched with other colors and outfits. Green, brown, white, I mean, you name it. Really beautiful hat. And another hat is this one, Gale Felt Beret, with chiffon and organza flowers. Also, everything is handmade with a little veil, and I can make it in different colors, really. Any color that you like to match your outfit. All you have to do is just drop me a message and tell me, oh, you know, I want this hat in, I don't know, red with red flowers, and I would be happy to make it for you. And there's elastic that goes underneath your hair. So again, this is quite an effortless hat to wear. You wear it slightly on the side and just make sure that you have one finger between your eyebrow and the hat itself. I think this is the most flattering way of wearing the hat, rather than when it's two-way down on your face like that. So the felt is really nice and soft materials, really easy to wear, and quite comfortable fabric, and just really beautiful, and I love it. So that's it. I think this is all the updates about new hats that are in stock. So please go to my website and have a look at the whole hats that I have in stock that are ready to ship the next working day. And I ship anywhere in the world. I mean, you name it. I can ship USA, Australia, Europe, UK, obviously. So the geography doesn't really an issue. And that's it. So follow me for more updates. And if you have any questions, contact me directly via email or here. And I will come back to you with any inquiry that you have. And in the meantime, wishing you a lovely day, and hopefully see you soon with updates about the video course on how to make a beret when it's out. And if you have any questions how to join my millinery membership, the details are in the description, or just drop me a message and I will guide you through. And I'll see you soon. Wonderful day, wishing you all, and thank you for everyone who joined me today during this video tutorial. Thank you, love you, bye.